Kev G, here we go now. Weather overview. Vernal equinox. We are in spring and we are making our trip around the sun. And this is a nice graphic off of National Weather Service Albany. And typically for us in the Northeast, we deal with a lot of changeable weather, as you know. And we have some setbacks now and again, but hopefully you just hope in the spring that you get more nice days than you do dreary days, or even with respect to wintry precipitation, which I don't think is in the offing over the next 7 to 10 days. So that might be the end of that as we get later here as we get into official spring now. The unfortunate part of spring is the severe weather, especially over the south. We have a bad outbreak of severe weather ongoing in Louisiana and Mississippi. There were destructive storms last night in Texas, and now that's moving east across the Mississippi Delta region, and that is going to clobber that area over the next several hours, and even into parts of Alabama, Georgia, and the Carolinas through the next 24 to 36 hours. For us, we're looking at fair skies through at least tomorrow, and then clouds will arrive by Wednesday, and we'll be looking at sort of a cloudy, dreary day for tomorrow as we await the northern part of the system to move in to our neck of the woods. For our neck of the woods, it'll be rain, a cold, dreary rain at that, and I think we'll start to see rain develop after 5 o'clock tomorrow. And this will be slow to get out of here. This storm system will be with us for probably 24 to 36 hours, and it won't be really anything dramatic. It'll just gum up the works with rain and raw conditions, chilly weather, and it'll give the area a solid inch to 2 inches of rain, I think, for Wednesday evening into much of Thursday. And here we are out to about Thursday afternoon, Thursday night, and it's still going. So especially towards the coastal areas, it should be raining a good part of the time from Wednesday afternoon through Friday with varying intensity. And then by Friday morning, it's off the playing field and we're done with it. And I think we'll see some sunshine develop for Friday afternoon and even a good part of Saturday. But then we have this disturbance go by for Saturday afternoon, Saturday night, and that might trigger a few showers as it moves through. But the more important aspect of that weekend system is that by Sunday and Monday, our temperatures tumble again. And instead of being in the 60s on Saturday, we're down into the 40s for Sunday and Monday. And you can see that the lines of equal pressure are tightly packed together over the northeast part of the United States. And that gives us the sort of chilly weather for Sunday into Monday. So you'll really feel it by the time we get into the new week. And then no real rain to speak of for the early part of next week. We'll see some moderating temperatures, and then we'll see another storm system probably take shape over the Mississippi Valley next Wednesday, and that'll take aim at the East Coast probably by the time late next week rolls around. So here we go with the temperatures. A very nice day today, and then you see our temperatures slide a little bit tomorrow with the cloud cover around. And then Thursday, no better than mid-50s with plenty of rain, and that rain will be developing tomorrow after about 5 o'clock and continuing off and on with varying intensity through early Friday morning. And then I think for Friday, we might be able to push 60 if we can get rid of those clouds early on Friday. Saturday, we go basically with around 60 again. I think we'll start sunny, and then it'll kind of cloud over by the end of the day with perhaps a few showers around. But notice the difference in temperatures for Sunday. Only in the upper 40s, and then Monday, the coolest day of the entire period, with highs only in the mid 40s. So that's spring for you in the Northeast. You get the back and forth. The pendulum swings with spring coming in, and especially the closer you live to the coast. So we'll have our challenges over the next few days, but overall, just a typical spring-like pattern developing for late March.